CAO sir, HM Muniraju sir, teachers, parents and my dear friends are very happy Krishna Janmashtami to all of you. Today we are celebrating the birthday of Lord Krishna, who loved butters and played the flute, who gave a message to love and truth. I like to welcome my friends for prayer, sir. Krishnaya Vasudevaya Haraye Paramatmane Pranataha Kleshanashaya Govindaya Namo Namaha. Om Krishnaya Vasudevaya Haraye Paramatmane Pranataha Kleshanashaya Govindaya Namo Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Full prayer, sir. Now to make this celebration even more precious, I call Karunyara to give the welcome speech. Sri Gurudev seeking the blessings of Pooja Swamiji. I am Karunyara from UKG. We are gathered here to celebrate Krishna Janmashtami. I like to welcome our exam sir. For the lowly will complete knowledge and to afford our rested and love to Lord Krishna with the flood of tribute. I can invite our HM sir to come forward and offer flowers at the feet of little Krishna as a mark of our devotion. Thank you, sir. I now like to call Taimur to share opinion of the day. Sir, my pranam to all the Pooja Swamiji. I am Taimur Ahmad, little Krishna. My dear parents, my dear friends, today in my school we are celebrating Krishna Janmashtami, the birthday of Lord Krishna. Krishna was a wonderful child full of mischief. Krishna taught us about friendship, kindness, and doing what's right. Let's learn from Krishna and stories and to try to be like Krishna, spreading joy and happiness wherever we go. Thank you. Thank you, my friends. Now let's hear some more about today special day. I call Govardhan to share few words about the day. ನಾನು ಹಿಂದೆ ಶ್ರೀಕೃಷ್ಣ ಜನ್ಮಾಷ್ಟಮಿಯ ಕುರಿತು ಕೆಲವು ಮಾತುಗಳು ಹೇಳಲು ಬಹು ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಶ್ರೀಕೃಷ್ಣ ಜನ್ಮಾಷ್ಟಮಿ ಎನ್ನುವುದು ನಮ್ಮ ಭಾರತೀಯ ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತಿಯ ಬಹುಮುಖ್ಯವಾದ ಹಬ್ಬ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಈ ಹಬ್ಬವನ್ನು ಶ್ರೀಕೃಷ್ಣ ಜನ್ಮದಿನವೆಂದು ಆಗಿದೆ. ಶ್ರೀಕೃಷ್ಣನು ದುಷ್ಟನ್ನು ನಾಶ ಮಾಡಿ ಧರ್ಮವನ್ನು ಕಾಪಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳಲು ಭೂಮಿಗೆ ಬಂದ ಅವತಾರ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಶ್ರೀಕೃಷ್ಣನು ಮಥುರಾ ನಗರದಲ್ಲಿ ದೇವಕಿ ಮತ್ತು ವಾಸುದೇವರ ಮಗನಾಗಿ ಹುಟ್ಟುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಅವನು ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಗುಣಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ಮಹತ್ವಪೂರ್ಣ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿದ. ಅವನ ಮಕ್ಕ ಪ್ರಿಯ ಕೊಳಲು, ಅವನ ವಾದಕ ಮತ್ತು ಗೋಕುಲದ ಗೋವಿಂದ. ಶ್ರೀಕೃಷ್ಣ ಜನ್ಮಾಷ್ಟಮಿ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. Thank you, friends. Now I call Hanisha to come and introduce Radhakrishna family, his loving parents, brothers and friends. Today we are going to tell you about Radhakrishna beautiful family. First comes Vasudeva, Krishna's father. He was brave and kind. He carried baby Krishna across the Yamuna river on a stormy night to keep him safe. Then comes Devaki, Krishna's real mother. She was kept in jail by King Kamsa, but she always prayed for our child. Kamsa. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. Kamsa was a cruel king and uncle of Lord Krishna. He tried to harm Krishna but was defeated by him in the end. After Krishna was born, he was raised by Nanda Baba and Yashoda Maya in Gokul. Yashoda loved Krishna very much and treated him like her own son. Krishna also had a big brother Balarama. He was strong and always protected Krishna. Gopikas. Krishna devised and playful interaction with the Gopikas. And how can we forget his best friend Radha Krishna? Radha's friendship is a symbol of pure love. This is lovely family of Lord Krishna, full of love, care and joy. Thank you.
बताने बताने बतमुमा दानव कदरिय दानन मुरियुता दानव कदरिय दानन मुरियुता.
We are proved that we are Indians. This is the fate of India.
Govinda, Radhe 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 Govinda, Radhe 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 Govinda.
Oh, sir, now we stand for the most exciting part. Let's hear for our little Govinda by playing different events. And I like to call Venus Stephen for dance.
जो है अलबेला मद नैनो बाला जिसकी दीवानी ब्रिज की हर बाला वो किसना है